Have you ever checked your blood pressure lately? Because sometimes you can feel completely fine, but something dangerous is already happening inside your body. High blood pressure, also called hypertension, is known as the silent killer. Why? Because most people don't feel any symptoms at all. But inside, your blood is pushing too hard against your arteries. Over time, this damages your blood vessels. It makes your heart work harder just to pump blood through your body. And if left untreated, it can lead to serious problems: heart attack, stroke, or even kidney failure. But here's the good part: it can be controlled. That's where maintenance medicine comes in. These medicines help relax your blood vessels, reduce the pressure, and make it easier for your heart to pump. Some slow down your heart rate, others remove excess fluid from your body. But here's something important: these medicines don't cure hypertension. They control it. That's why you need to take them regularly, not just when you feel something. Because once you stop, your blood pressure can rise again. So if you've been prescribed medication, don't ignore it. Because every dose you take is helping your heart work a little easier. And maybe saving your life.